and welcome to 1000 Shinnecock Lane in beautiful FIRETHORNE Country Club. I am so excited that you're here today to visit this virtual home. You are going to be really excited to come take a visit. Walk on in the door. This fully custom home spots 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and 4 out of the 5 bedrooms have their own bath. Great opportunity, great flow. Don't forget to look down. The floors were just redone. The ceilings, the paint, everything done, new, and ready for you to move in. This great home flows well, entertains well, and gives you the kind of lifestyle you're looking for. Pop out back, take a seat, enjoy a nice cup of coffee in the morning or a great drink in the evening of your choice in this private lot. It is a wonderful home. 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, about 5,400 square feet in wonderful FIRETHORNE Country Club on the North Carolina side. So come visit 1000 Shinnecock Lane and give it a tour and enjoy the drone video.